Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnWeb Academy. In today's video, I will show you how to exactly install Elementor and Elementor Pro step by step. This is the most important setup video before you start designing your website, so make sure you watch till the end. I will guide you through installing the free plugin, downloading Elementor Pro, uploading the Pro file, and activating your license. Once done, you will be fully ready to start building professional websites using Elementor Pro. What you need before installation. Before you begin, make sure you have a WordPress website, your Elementor account if you have purchased it, or if you haven't, so you can see the description on how to purchase it. Access to your WordPress dashboard. If you have all of these, let's get started. First, we have to install the free version of Elementor. Let's go to the plugin section and click on add plugin. And here you have to search for Elementor. Now that since I have already installed Elementor, so I don't have option to install, but since you don't have to install Elementor, so you will have option to install now, and then you can activate it from there. Now Elementor free is successfully installed on your PC. You can start editing pages using the free Elementor plugin by going to any page or post and then clicking on edit with Elementor button. Download Elementor Pro. To install Elementor Pro, you need to download the Pro plugin from Elementor account. You can just upload this via this upload plugin option and then choosing the file or dragging it here. Now that you have installed both Elementor free plugin and the Pro plugin, now the next step is to activate the license. So since I have already activated the license, that's why I am not seeing option to activate it. But you will see an option to connect with account, or you can paste the license key over here. You can choose any of these options. If you want to activate it using the email that you have purchased the Elementor, so you can just connect your account and do that. Or if you want to purchase Elementor Pro for a cheaper price, you can just contact us and we will activate that for you. Once you do that, your website will get activated with the Pro plugin and you can access all the features of Pro plugin. And this was how you can install, activate and use Elementor Pro. If you found this step-by-step tutorial on how to install Elementor Pro, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for more such videos. Up next, we will start building pages using Elementor Pro, so stay tuned for that.